Load your family into the 2019 Subaru Ascent. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.